har me hearties, it's that time again. Shear me timbers, splice the mainsail, grab your paintbrush. It's time for that lazy pirate again. Har har! Right then, we're at Shroud of the Reaper in Bexley. Game 1, I'm against Seb. Say hi, Seb. And his lovely nature arming. So he's just doing his scout move at the moment. So, beautiful army. Trees, 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 trees. And
make sure it doesn't go too far forward.
yeah. And I'm playing my Rifties. And we are playing a special scenario where we need to get our Krampus chariots, which is a special character, across the opposing side of the table and attempt to kill the opponent's chariots. Boom. So here we go, game on. So, game 2 is Shroud of the Reaper, and it makes Matt. Say hi, Matt. And he's Emperor of Dust. So, worms, scavengers, dragon, spearman, slave guardian, showbick, giants. There's his Krampus, more spearmen, monolith, soul snare. And here's my Rifties. And we're playing a twist on the loot scenario where these tokens here are loot tokens, but when we pick them up there's a chance they will heal us and give us a VP, or a chance they will explode and do damages and give us a VP. So we haven't got a clue, we're just going to play the game and see how we go. So cheers for now. So, game 3, and we are playing Rack and Ruin. So, I'm playing John. Say hi, John. And John playing Riftforged Dwarves. So, lots of grotesques, 2 big flyers, Infernal Guard, some gargoyles, some butchers. And that's his Krampus. And I've deployed with half my units over here, and my other half over here. And we've been Rack and Ruin, so that's one zone, that's the other zone, and that's the central zone. The 2 outer ones start scoring from turn 3, while the central one is the end of the turn, end of the game. So, game on.